Welcome back everybody. So today we'll be continuing database management system DBMS, and today we'll be continuing ER model, and today we'll be studying about relationships. So relationships, so the association among entities is called relationship, as simple as that. It means that when an entity is related to another entity, so they are said to have a relationship, as simple as that. So this is the basic definition right here. So the degree of relationship, it refers to the number of participating entities in a relationship. That defines the degree of a relationship. Okay. Now we have, suppose if there are two entities that are in relationship, that is called as binary, and the degree is 2. If there are 3, then the degree is 3, and if there are n number of entities related or are in relations, so that will be the n degree. Okay, so moving on to mapping cardinalities. So cardinality defines the number of entities in one entity set which can be associated with the number of entities in another set via relationship. Basically it means that suppose if A and B are two set, and suppose element something like A and here is B, suppose A1, A2, something like this. So like the number of entities, how it is related to B, or something like this, how B is related to A. This is the mapping cardinality. Okay, so let us see the types of mapping cardinalities. So first of all we have 1 to 1. So basically it means, so one entity from entities set A can be associated with at most one entity, so at most one entity of B and vice versa. So basically it means, suppose A and B we have two sets. Okay, so 1, 2, suppose I'm drawing 3 entities, so one can be related to one only, one cannot be like attached to multiple things. So this is 1 to 1. Now we have 1 to many. So 1 to many is very simple. Again, one entity from entity A can be associated with more than one entities of B. However, an entity from set B can associate with at most one entity. So it means, suppose A and B again, 1, 2, 3 elements, again I'm taking 3 elements or entities. So suppose from for point of A, so it can be attached to many. Okay, so it goes to many B's, but only from B side it can be attached to only one A. Not B cannot have like one entity of B cannot point to many other entities in A. That is impossible. Now we have many to one. More than one entities from set A can be associated with at most one entity set of B. However, entity set B can be associated with more than one entity set of A. So what this means is, suppose A and B, 1, 2, 3. So basically it means like more than one entity sets of A can be attached with only one B. So these two can, or these 3 can be attached to only one B. It cannot go in all these. And suppose an entity set of B can be associated with more than one. Suppose this can go in every. Okay, this is what it means, many to one. Now finally we have many to many. So one entity from A can be associated with more than one entity from B and vice versa. This is very simple. There is no restriction. It can go to many, okay, or something like this. It can have anything, any possible combination is possible here. Okay, so these were the mapping cardinalities, degrees and relationships in the ER model. So if you had any problem, just comment, and if you did like the video, hit the thumbs up button, share it and subscribe to the channel for more videos. So thanks for watching it.